In this video, we will cover the valuation by sum of parts method in more detail. So it is a asset based valuation model which is generally used to value companies who have invested in other companies, or it is used to value holding companies. So first of all, what is a holding company? So here is an extract of annual report of Godrej Industries and I am in page number 34. Here we see that the company has its own business of chemicals, estate management, finance and investments, while it also holds shares of other companies. A holding company is a company which has more than 50% shareholding of the other company, the investee company. And the investee company is known as the subsidiary company. So here, Godrej Industries hold more than 50% of shares in Godrej Properties and Godrej Agrovet Limited. So it is the holding company of these companies, and these companies are the subsidiary company of Godrej Industries. Godrej Industries also hold around 24% shares of Godrej Consumer Products Limited. It is not a subsidiary company of Godrej Industries, but it is an associate company as it holds more than 20% share. And these companies are sister concerns for each other. Now let us see Godrej Consumer Products Limited. So this company manufactures products like Synthol, Hit, sanitizers, Godrej air perfumes, mostly FMCG products. If we look at the enterprise value, it is around 56,000 crores. Now let us check the enterprise value of Godrej Industries Limited. The enterprise value is around 12,000 crores. When we looked at the annual report of the company, Godrej Industries have around 24% of shares of Godrej Consumer Products Limited. So if we calculate 24% of 56,000 crores, we get around 13,000 crores. The enterprise value of Godrej Industries Limited is 12,000 crores. So if we buy Godrej Industries for 12,000 crores, we already get its investment in Godrej Consumer Products Limited worth rupees 13,000 crores. Along with it, you get the chemical business of Godrej Industries and the other holdings for free. Now let's see what else we get when we buy Godrej Industries. It has around 53% shares of Godrej Properties and 58% of Godrej Agrovet Limited. Let us check the enterprise value of Godrej Properties. It is around 20,000 crores. So around 50%, that is more than 10,000 crores, belongs to Godrej Industries. Till now we have 13,000 crores of Godrej Products and 10,000 crores of Godrej Properties Limited. That is around 23,000 crore worth of shareholdings we get when we buy Godrej Industries for just 12,000 crores. Then it also has shareholding of 58% in Godrej Agrovet Limited. The enterprise value of Godrej Agrovet is around 7,700 and value of Godrej Industries holding will be around 4,600. So in total, more than 28,000 crore is the value of shares held by Godrej Industries which you will get when you buy the company for just 12,000 crores. Currently, you get all this at a discount of more than 55%. And we have not yet counted the valuation of Nature's Basket and other investment as well as the own business of Godrej Industries. So holding company discount will definitely be more than 60% in this case when you invest in Godrej Consumers, Godrej Properties and Godrej Agrovet via Godrej Industries Limited. Now there are two important points to remember. First of all, you need to check the valuation and the fundamentals of the subsidiary companies. If they are overvalued, then getting a good holding company discount would not help you increase your wealth. Or if any fundamental problem exists in the subsidiary company, it will still be able to destroy your wealth. So check for the important ratios in the subsidiary companies also. They can be fraudulent subsidiary company who are trading at high prices, but investing into them even with holding company discount is not advisable. So first of all, you have to check the subsidiary companies, as it's no point buying a bad company even at a 60% discount. Secondly, holding companies always trade at a discount of around 25 to 35%, which means if value of investments of holding companies 200, they generally trade around 150. So in case of Godrej Industries also, if the valuation of investments is around 28,000 crores, the valuation of the company will never be near to 28,000 crore. Let us understand the reason behind this. First reason is taxation. If company sells off its holdings, it will be required to pay capital gain taxes. And if its investee company passes on its profit as dividend, then again income tax will be applicable. Now Godrej company has invested in only its own group companies. So it is not expected that it will sell off its stakes once the prices rises and it will book profits. So we can say that whatever be the market price of the shares, Godrej Industries will never sell off all its stakes in its own companies. So liquidity discount also affects the valuation of this company. To conclude, we suggest that a 50% holding company discount is a great investment opportunity. Don't forget to value the existing business of the holding company. And lastly, always check the fundamentals of the investee companies as well.